everybody and welcome back to another video. So yes, I'm gonna tell you guys how to make an intro better. But I recommend this if you want a cool intro. First you need Fort intro maker for YouTube. Make Fortnite intro. I know I don't play Fortnite, but I really do, but I don't. Yeah, once you download this, just after you download it, open it. Just open it. And see, you haven't. Not now. So you can choose any intros you like. There are so many, but if you want intro maker, try this. Yes, but this is kinda hard. Okay, all of them is hard. So yes, you can see a lot. Yeah, you can see a lot of this. I'm gonna choose this one. Yeah, this one. Just press this 480p. Just wait that or not. No, let's not. Let's just do this. Just that. Press that, and then just wait. After it's done downloading, click it again, and you're here. Now you can see your intro. Yes, it's that intro, but you need to add text as your name. You can customize any versions you like. This I'm gonna use this. You can make it big if you like. We can this doing big there. There we go. Like this. Like that. If you want to make it better, just do that. Wait. Just do that. Like this. Awkward of silence. Come on! Wait, why can't I do this? Like that. Is that okay? Let's see. Name. You can put any name that you want. Now go to music. Wait, is there? I forget it. I'm using a new recorder. Not the recorder. I'm using a new one. I think the recorder kinda sucks a little bit. Go to music. It's here. Click to music. Oh no. You can choose any song that you like. You put any song that you like. You can put intro, but I'm gonna use intro. So you can choose any music that you want. Like I am using Heroes Tonight, so you can put let's put Pain. After you download it, hear it. Wow, it's next to your face. Now you just do this cut. I think it's okay. Yep, that's okay. Now let's see. Now you're done. Yes, you're done. If you don't like this, you can just arrange it. Yes, you're done. Another look. You can choose any. After you're done, check this check. Press the check. And wait, just wait exporting video.
Can I?
Oh no.
Oh
Ads.
my god, I keep calling in this video.
Sorry there guys, it's an ad. So yeah, you're done. You can go home or you can watch an ad to remove watermark this, watermark. But I'm not gonna remove it. I'm just gonna remove it to my intro. After you're done, you can just click home and go to your works. Now you see this. This is mine. After you're done, go to any that you want. Mobizen, the recorder, screen recorder, or V recorder. I'm using currently V recorder because I need a upgrade. So this, click to V recorder. Oh no. Later. 5. Oh no. Later, please. When you're in V recorder, just go to this and click video edit, and touch this, okay? And just click this Fortnite intro maker. You have to, so click your intro. This is your intro. This is mine. This name. Go back and go to video. Click this and go back. If you want, you can make an outro, but I'm not gonna make. After that, press next. Hello everybody, welcome back to. If you like it, just click this check. Now you can choose anything that you want. You can post it to Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Line, email, more. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. So yeah, that's how to make an intro. To make an intro, you just need. Okay, no, not this. To make an intro, you just need V recorder. Where's V recorder? V recorder, where are you? Not. To make intro, you need V recorder to download and Fortnite Maker. I recommend you this if you want to make a cool intro, but if you don't want to make the trouble, just use my other how to make an intro. It's really easy, but this is kinda hard. So yeah, bye bye. My intro and outro is so cool. Bye bye.